Hey everyone, it's Grady at SUBOVERLAND, and in this video I'll be doing a little walk around of this '06 Cadillac Escalade. Let's get right into it. This is a 2006 Cadillac Escalade ESV, and this has been a really fun build. I know I say that a ton on the channel, but this is a very unique vehicle that I'll get into here. But we don't do a ton of Escalades, and especially I think this is only the second Escalade of this gen that we've done. So pretty cool stuff. And just a quick overview of the Escalade. They have all-wheel drive, so it's full-time all-wheel drive. They have a 6-liter V8 gasoline engine, obviously. So the 6-liter instead of the 5.3 that's found in other ones. And same rear axle, same front diff. They're different transfer case, obviously, because it's the full-time all-wheel drive version. The interiors are more fancy than some. I mean, there's Suburbans that can be optioned out similar to an Escalade, but there's a lot of differences that maybe I'll go over during this video. Some of this cladding that you see is quite a bit different. The hood angles and the bumper, and just has a different look for sure. And I've really liked this look. See how the headlights are a lot bigger, and yeah, so there's quite a bit different on these. This model was pretty expensive new, obviously, versus the other, ones like Suburban, an LT Suburban. And they are fun to drive, and they still get, decent fuel economy. They're very capable. They don't have a low range, but their all-wheel drive, system is great. So this still has the Bilstein 5100 shocks, the same Moog coils that we use, and a 33-inch tire. These are 285/70. Oh no, these are 18s. This is a 275/70/18. Got a Kenda Cleaver AT on here. We put the baseline rack, which is great, up top here. Let's see if I can get a better look. So that's how the baseline looks like. The interior is built out. But I guess before I get into that, I wanted to the engine in this. So this is, like I was saying, it's a 6.0, but this is the Vortec Max is what they call this. This was a really rare option, I believe, on these Escalades. I think it added about 30 or 40 horsepower, and about the same torque. And so the regular 6.0 is fun to drive and everything, but this just kind of gives it that extra oomph, if you know what I mean. So the Vortec Max, when I first saw this when I was buying it, I was like, okay, this is cool. So we picked this thing up. But let's get into the interior now. I'll open up the back here. See how this is a lot different. You got like the big Cadillac emblem, and then this latch. There's just a lot of little differences. Here's the back end of this thing. We did pretty much a full Summit minus a solar panel, and so there's a fan. I'll see that up here. So we got the fan, wooden ceiling, cubby, drawer setup. And then the drawers you've seen on our videos quite a bit. And then they wanted to keep the second row seats. So this is a 4-seater, and this is a little bit different configuration up front. I'll show you that here in a second. But right there you can see That's our, there's a USB plug and a plug-in, and that's just plugged into the Delta Max. So you have some, options back there, and we can do this with, so if any of you are watching that are on the list and stuff, we can do this now with the cubby system, so you can request that. So the interior, we have the fridge in the back here. So these clients, they might remove one of these seats at some point and then they'll have some more space, but this is just the best option to, still have seating and everything. And so this has, again, the captain seats, and then our EcoFlow. This is the Delta Max right down there, converter up top, fuse box with the EcoFlow alternator charger. So these clients opted out of a solar panel because just their style of using this is going to be more of they're going to be driving instead of sitting down in a place for a while. And so the alternator charger is great. It's 800 watts, and so it charges it up a lot faster than any solar panel could. That we could have space for, and so that's a great option that I have loved installing. And so this one has that. Another cool thing that I'll show, see the little Cadillac emblem in the headrest, which is cool. So that's another little unique Cadillac things. So we reupholstered this bottom, so this is perforated leather that they have with the Cadillacs, a different center console. This console is the same. We were pretty similar to the Denali's. And then as far as a dash goes, it's really interesting. See if I can get it here. So if you look up here, see how it's kind of like boxy? You got some more sharp edges, which I really like. And then, like the faux wood, and then up there on that dash, there's just a lot different here. So I guess what I'm saying, you can't just walk into like a, junkyard and grab a Suburban dash, and replace this. This is a very specific dash for a Cadillac Escalade. And, again, Cadillac emblem, heated seats, of course. And then Cadillacs also always have a clock somewhere, just a regular old clock, which I always like. So there's a lot of these cool little touches that Cadillac did. And then this is the doubled in with a backup camera that we do. That concludes this video. This is a 2006 Cadillac Escalade ESV, and we turned it into a SUBOVERLAND with the Summit package. So it has got all that, candy on it, add-ons. We had baseline rack, has the exhaust, doubled in. What else? Add-on alternator charger. I'm probably forgetting some things, but this thing's built out really well, drives great. This is going to be a fun vehicle for the new owner. It's being shipped out tomorrow, actually, and so we can do that also. Not all of our clients come in to pick them up, although most of them do. So you do have the option of getting it shipped to you, which some people like to do. But if you guys are interested in getting one of these vehicles or have any questions on Cadillac specific things, or if I misspoke or something, feel free to leave it down in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed or liked our channel here, please do, and we'll catch you on the next video.